Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and you're getting an E9 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. So the E9 error in a nutshell is a door lock error. So it's not, the washing machine is sensing that the door is not locked properly. Now, with all of these errors, this could be one of two categories of things. This could be the door is actually not locking properly, or there's something with the electronics and the sensors and the wiring that makes it think it's not locking properly and it's giving you this error. So if it's the latter, if it's the wiring or the sensors, it's going to be hard to fix on your own. But if it's actually the physical latch, there's usually, you can get this fixed pretty easily. Because what will happen with a washing machine is sometimes some lint or some buildup of gunk and stuff like that will happen either in the locking mechanism, on the latch, whatever. And so the door is not closed and latched and locked like you would want it to be, like the machine wants it to be. Even checking around the seal and make sure there's anything that could prevent the machine from sensing that it's closed properly, if you have any buildup of anything. Even so much as you fill it up, you close the door, and when you do that, a piece of clothing flops out and gets caught in the door. All of these things can prevent the washing machine from getting a proper sense of locking and getting a proper lock. And then you'll get this error. So if you're able to deal with all those things, you should be able to get rid of that error. If it's still giving you, if you checked all that stuff and it's still giving you that error, then it's almost definitely going to be with the wiring, with the control board, with the sensors and stuff like that, and you're going to need a technician to take a look at it. Anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.